Hello guys, welcome back. Our next topic is Introduction to Computer Graphics. Computer graphics is a vast and dynamic field that encompasses the creation, manipulation, and the display of visual content on digital devices. From stunning 3D animations in blockbuster films to the seamless user interfaces of smartphones, computer graphics have revolutionized the way we interact with the perceive of digital world. History and evolution of computer graphics. The history of computer graphics can be traced back into the 1950s when early computer scientists began experimenting with the visual representation on screen. The development of the cathode ray tube CRT in 1940s paved the way for the first computer graphics, allowing for the display of simple shapes and text. CRT technology became the dominant display method for decades, enabling the creation of more sophisticated graphics and emergence of first computer-based images. In the 1960s and 1970s, advancement in the hardware and software led to significant improvements in the quality and complexity of computer graphics. The introduction of vector graphics and the raster graphics allowed to the creation of more realistic and detailed images. Vector graphics used mathematical equations to define shapes, while raster graphics represented images as a grid of pixels, enabling the display of photographic-like images. The 1980s saw the rise of personal computers and the widespread adoption of graphical user interface, which revolutionized the way users interact with the computers. The development of graphics software and the graphic hardware allowed for the creation of increasingly sophisticated digital art, animations, and visual effects. Fundamental concept in the graphics. Pixels and resolutions. At the core of the computer graphics is a pixel, the fundamental building block that makes a digital images. It is a basic unit, the resolution of the image measured in the pixel per inch PPI or dots per inch DPI determines the level of detail and clarity that you can display. Next is color models. Graphical rely on the color models such as red, green, and blue RGB colors and CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black to represent the manipulate the vast array of colors that can be displayed on digital screens or printed on paper. Next is coordinate systems. Computer graphics utilize coordinate systems such as the Cartesian coordinate systems to precisely define the location movement of the objects within the digital space. These coordinate system provides the fundamental for the 2D and 3D graphic application. Rendering technologies. Rendering is a process generating of image from a model, and it involves a range of techniques such as rasterizing, ray tracing, and photo mapping. These techniques determines how light, color, and other visual elements are calculated and displayed. 2D graphic techniques and applications. 2D graphic techniques form the foundation of visual communication in the digital age. These include vector-based graphics, raster images, and variety of drawing and painting tools. 2D graphics are widely used in the web design, print media, user interface, and creative visual arts. Vector-based graphics such as CVG and EPS files offer scalability and flexibility, allowing designers to create high-quality resolution independent images. Raster images like JPEG and PNG images excel can capturing the photorealistic scenes and are commonly used for digital photography and image editing. 3D graphic techniques and rendering. 3D graphic have evolved significantly, enabling the creation of stunning lifelike visuals. Advanced rendering techniques like ray tracing, global illumination, and physical-based shading produce high realistic 3D scenes with intense lighting and shadows and reflections. From photorealistic products visualizations to immersive visual environment, 3D graphics are transforming industry ranging from the gaming and filmmaking to architecture and e-commerce. Cutting-edge rendering engines leverage GPU acceleration and parallel processing to generate complex 3D worlds in real time. Animations and motion graphics, 2D techniques. 2D animations have been around for decades from classic and hand-drawn cartoons to the modern vector-based digital animations. These techniques evolve creating the sequence of static images that when played in the rapid succession create the illusion of movement. Animations use a variety of tools and methods to bring the characters and objects to life on the screen. 3D animations and rendering. The rise of powerful 3D animation software has revolutionized the world of motion graphics. Using 3D modeling, rigging, and rendering techniques, animators can create highly complex and visual stunning animated sequence. From realistic simulations to stylish character animations, 3D animations has become an essential tool in the multimedia and film industries. Motion graphics and composing. Motion graphics combine 2D and 3D elements, typographically visual effects, and sounds to create dynamic, attention and grabbing animations. Animators use a compositing techniques to seamlessly integrate various visual compositions. Virtual and augmented reality. Immersive experiences. Virtual reality headsets transport users to a fully digital world, allowing them to explore and interact with the computer-generated environments. These immersive experiences open up new realms of entertainment, education, and training, transferring how we engage with technology. Blending digital and physical. Augmented reality overlays the digital information and visual onto the real world elements with your physical surroundings. Merging realities. The convergence of VR and AR has led to the emergence of mixed reality, which allows users to interact with the both visual and physical environment simultaneously. Visualization and data representation. Data visualization is a graphical representation of information and data. It helps people to understand the significance of data by placing it in the virtual context. Effective visualization can make the complex data more accessible and intuitive, enabling better decision making and insights. Infographics. Infographics combine data information and the knowledge in the visually compelling way. Immersive experiences, emerging technologies like virtual and augmented reality and transferring the data visualized by creating immersive experiences. These technology allow users to interact with and explore data in new engaging ways, leading to a deeper understanding. Insights. Immersed data and visualize can be particularly used for complex multidimensional datasets. Emerging trends in computer graphics. Virtual and augmented reality, AI-powered graphics, real-time rendering. The rise of immersive technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality will transform the landscape of computer graphics. These innovations platforms enable users to experience digital content in the unpredictable ways. Advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning are realizing computer graphics AI-powered tools can now assist in content creation, image manipulations, and even render photorealistic 3D scenes in incredible efficient accuracy. Real-time rendering. The ongoing improvements in the hardware and software are enabling real-time rendering of the complex 3D environments and dynamic simulations. At last, the conclusions and future directions of computer graphics. As we explore the remarkable advancement in the computer graphics, it's clear that the field is poised to continue evolving in exciting ways. Emerging technologies like real-time ray tracing, photorealistic rendering, and immersive virtual or augmented reality experiences will push the boundaries of what's possible. Looking ahead, we can expect to see the computer graphics play an increasingly crucial role in areas like scientific visualization, medical imaging, architecture design, and entertainment. Breakthroughs in AI-powered animations and procedural content generation will enable new levels of creativity and efficiency. While the future holds the countless possibilities, one thing is certain: computer graphics will remain the driving force behind the innovation, redefining how we interact with and experience the digital world around us. That's all for today. Thank you.